Good morning, students. Myself Supriya Ajpute. Today in these sessions, we discuss about Davangere University's Unit 2 topic. In that one, we discuss about problems on homomorphism and isomorphism. Show that the additive group R comma plus of all real numbers and multiplicative group R plus comma dot of all positive real numbers are isomorphic. So when we say the two sets are isomorphic, the function defined between those two sets are said to be homomorphism, and it satisfies the 1 1 condition and onto condition, then we say those two sets are isomorphic, right? So consider, let define a mapping f from r comma plus to r plus comma dot by f of x is equal to e power x for all x belongs to r. First one, f is homomorphism. We have to show f is homomorphism. For this, consider for all x belongs to r, capital R. Consider this f of x plus y, that is equal to e power x plus y. We can write like this because the function is defined like this. F of x is equal to e power x, then f of x plus y is equal to e power x plus y. E power x plus y can be written as e power x into e power y. Here, the base are same, the power can be added. So, there is no changes here. So, e power x into e power y. E power x is f of x, e power y is f of y. So, f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. Therefore, the function is homomorphism. Next, f is 1 1. Consider f of x is equal to f of y, where x and y belongs to, from the set, this R. F of x is e power x, f of y is e power y. Here, it can be written as, look here, e power x minus y. Multiplying e power y on both sides, what we have, e power x minus y is equal to e power y minus y is e power 0, that is value is 1. Here the bases are same, right? The powers like this. So e power x minus y is equal to 1 is possible only when x minus y is equal to 0. So x minus y is equal to 0 means x is equal to y. Therefore f is 1 1 function. F is onto. Let y belongs to r plus. Consider f of log y to the base e, that can be written as log y to the base e by the by function definition. That is equal to e power log y, that is equal to y, right? That is, for all y belongs to r plus, there exists a log y to the base e belongs to r, such that f of log y to the base e is equal to y, right? It is we have got the same, y is in r. It's in r plus means obviously in r. Therefore, f is onto. Therefore, f is isomorphism, right? We have proved this. This function is a isomorphism. That is, the two sets are isomorphic. Next, if z comma plus is the additive group of integers and 2z comma plus is the additive group of even integers, if f from z comma plus to 2z comma plus defined by f of x is equal to 2x is f is homomorphism and find its kernel. Okay, solution. Let x comma y belongs to z such that f of x is equal to 2x for all x belongs to z. Consider f of x plus y, that is equal to 2 of x plus y, because the function is defined like this. So 2 into x plus 2 into y. 2x is f of x, 2y is f of y. That is, f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. This shows that f is homomorphism. Next, we have to find the kernel. K is equal to, this is the capital K, the set, right? Therefore, the capital K. K is equal to the elements of Z such that their image f of x should be 0. Because here, look here, set of the even integers. Integer means with respect to the binary operation plus addition, right? Therefore, the identity element is 0. Therefore, f of x is equal to 0. F of x is equal to 0. F of x is 2x is equal to 0. So, then x is equal to 0. That is, K contains the only single element, that is 0. K is equal to 0. This is the kernel of the function. Next, if r comma plus to c star comma dot, this is the function. This is the function. Actually, this is a function f from r comma plus 2 c star comma dot defined by f of x is equal to cos x plus I sin x is f is homomorphism. Find its kernel. In the same way, f from r comma plus 2 c star comma dot, that is the multiplication. Consider x comma y belongs to R. For all x comma y belongs to R, any arbitrary 2 points, f of x plus y is equal to, here f of x is defined cos x plus I sin x, then f of x plus y is cos x plus y plus I sin x plus y, right? Cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b plus I into sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Here I is multiplied for both the parts. Next, look here, cos x into cos y. Here another cos y term is there. Here cos y term. In the first and third term, cos y, take cos y as common. We have cos x plus I sin x. The remaining part, cos x plus I sin x into cos y. Next, look at the second term and fourth term. We have sin y is common, and minus 1 can be written as I square. So if we take an I as common, what we have, cos x plus I into sin x of sin y, right? So cos x plus I sin x, again cos x plus I sin x. Here the common, cos x plus I sin x into cos y plus I into sin y. So cos x plus I sin x is f of x into cos y plus I sin y is f of y. So f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. Therefore, f is homomorphism. Then kernel, k is equal to x belongs to R such that f of x is equal to 1, because the image, this codomain set, that is the kernel, which is this codomain set which is defined under multiplication. Therefore, the identity element is 1. Consider f of x is equal to 1. F of x is cos x plus I sin x is equal to 1. This is possible only when cos x value is equal to 1 and sin x value is equal to 0. This imaginary, there's no necessary of imaginary part, right? So cos x is equal to 1. When the cos value is 1, when x is equal to 0 and 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, that is a multiple of 2n, right? That is k is equal to 2 pi n or 2n pi, such that n belongs to z. This is the kernel of the function. Next, if f from r comma plus to r comma plus defined by f of x is equal to 3x plus 1 for all x belongs to R is f is homomorphism, find its kernel. In the similar way, for all x belongs to R, y belongs to R, consider f of x plus y. That is equal to f of x plus y plus 1. The function is defined like this. Look here, f of x is equal to 3x plus 1. So in the place of x, we have x plus y. What we have? 3 into, this is 3 of x plus y plus 1. 3 into x plus 3y plus 1. So f of x plus y is like this. Here, since f of x is 3x plus 1 and f of y is equal to 3y plus 1, right? F of x is 3x plus 1. F of y means 3y plus 1. Then by adding these two, f of x plus f of y, what we have? 3x plus 3y plus 1 plus 1, 2. 3x plus 3y plus 2. But look here, f of x plus y is 3x plus 3y plus 1. But f of x plus f of y is 3x plus 3y plus 2. So therefore, f of x plus y is not equal to f of x plus f of y. Therefore, f is not a homomorphism. If it's not a homomorphism, its kernel is a null set. There is no term in that. It's just a null. Thank you.